Wild Savannah, the mystery of the fastest warriors. Across the vast golden plains of Africa, life unfolds in its rawest and most dramatic form. Sharp eyes scan the horizon. Silent footsteps move through the tall grass. Hidden hunters wait patiently for the perfect moment. All around them, the savanna watches. The wind sways the grasses like whispers of ancient survival secrets. Every movement, every sound, every shadow, carries meaning here. This is the savanna, one of the most challenging ecosystems on Earth. A world where every second is a test of strength, speed, and instinct. Here, survival is never guaranteed. Every chase, every leap, every breath is part of a relentless battle between predator and prey. Beneath the spreading branches of acacia trees, lions crouch in the grass. Their golden coats blend perfectly with the dry landscape. Above them, vultures circle slowly in the sky, as if predicting the fate of the weak. In this unforgiving arena, nothing is promised except the struggle to survive. Welcome to the wild savannah, a land of speed, endurance, and powerful survival strategies. ## the world of the savannah. The savannah covers nearly 20% of Earth's surface. It is a vast ecosystem, most famously found across Africa. Here, millions of animals share the land. From towering elephants to stealthy lions. From swift antelopes to circling birds of prey. But beneath its beauty lies a harsh reality. Every year, the dry season transforms the savannah into a battlefield. Temperatures during the day can rise above 40 degrees Celsius. While nights can drop dramatically. Water becomes scarce. Grasslands dry out. Rivers shrink into muddy pools. In this harsh season, nearly 1/4 of the animal population may perish due to lack of food and water. But the savannah is also a place of remarkable adaptation. Elephants, the giants of the land, may consume up to 300 kilograms of vegetation each day. When water disappears, they dig deep into dry riverbeds. Their powerful trunks and tusks uncover hidden water sources. And this doesn't just help elephants. It provides life-saving water for countless smaller animals. Meanwhile, thorny acacia trees thrive in the heat. Their drought-resistant leaves feed giraffes and birds. Scavengers like vultures and hyenas clean the land, consuming carcasses and preventing disease. The dry season, harsh as it is, plays an essential role. It strengthens the population. Only the strongest survive and reproduce. Because of this natural cycle, the savannah remains one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. Millions of wildebeest. Hundreds of thousands of zebras. And countless birds call this land home. ## Thompson's Gazelle, the little speed warriors. Amid the dry plains, a small but remarkable animal stands as a symbol of agility. The Thompson's Gazelle. Weighing only 15 to 35 kilograms, these graceful animals are built for speed. Their slender legs and powerful muscles allow them to reach speeds of 80 kilometers per hour. But speed alone does not define them. Their greatest strength is agility. When threatened, Thompson's gazelles can change direction instantly, making sharp turns that confuse even the fastest predators. Even the mighty cheetah, the fastest land animal, must work hard to catch them. A cheetah can sprint at nearly 110 kilometers per hour. But only for a short distance. Gazelles, on the other hand, rely on quick turns and sudden jumps. They can leap high into the air, a behavior known as starting or pronking. This action confuses predators and signals danger to the rest of the herd. Gazelles live in groups of 10 to 50 individuals. When danger appears, they scatter in different directions. This tactic forces the predator to choose a single target. And that choice can mean the difference between life and death. Hashtag the cheetah's lightning strike. One of the most dramatic sights on the savannah is the chase between a cheetah and a gazelle. The cheetah spots a lone gazelle. Its body lowers. Muscles tighten. Then, in a burst of explosive power, it launches forward. In just 3 seconds, it accelerates from 0 to over 60 kilometers per hour. The chase begins. But the gazelle is not helpless. It zigzags across the grass, forcing the cheetah to constantly adjust direction. Each turn drains the cheetah's precious energy. If the cheetah cannot catch its prey within 20 to 30 seconds, the hunt is over. The predator becomes exhausted. But if the cheetah gets close enough, the outcome is swift. A powerful pounce. A precise bite. And the chase ends. Even so, cheetahs succeed in only about half of their hunts. The gazelle's speed and agility save many lives. Hashtag the Pronghorn, champion of endurance. Far from Africa, on the plains of North America, another speed champion roams. The pronghorn. Though not an antelope, it is often called the fastest antelope in the world. The pronghorn can reach speeds of 95 kilometers per hour, making it the second fastest land animal after the cheetah. But its true strength is endurance. While a cheetah can sprint for seconds, the pronghorn can run at 60 kilometers per hour for several kilometers. Its heart and lungs are unusually large, allowing it to deliver oxygen efficiently during long runs. Its eyes provide a 320-degree field of vision, helping it detect predators from great distances. When chased by wolves or coyotes, the pronghorn uses sudden turns and powerful leaps to escape. In most cases, it simply outruns its pursuers. Its speed is a legacy of ancient predators that once roamed North America. Predators now extinct. But the pronghorn still carries the tools of survival shaped by millions of years of evolution. Hashtag the Great Migration, strength in numbers. Back in Africa, another incredible spectacle unfolds. Across the savannah, vast herds of wildebeest move like a living river. Millions travel together in search of fresh grass and water. This migration is not just a journey. It is a test of endurance, unity, and survival. Newborn calves must stand and run within minutes of birth. If they cannot keep up, they are left behind. The herd moves as one, with adults forming protective barriers around the young. But the migration is filled with danger. Predators follow closely, waiting for the weak. And then comes the greatest obstacle of all. The Mara River. Hashtag the deadly river crossing. The river appears calm at first. But beneath the surface, danger waits. Massive Nile crocodiles lie in ambush. As the herd gathers at the riverbank, tension fills the air. Thousands of animals hesitate. Then, suddenly, one leaps into the water. And chaos erupts. Hooves splash. Bodies collide. The water churns into foam. Crocodiles strike with terrifying precision. Some animals are pulled under. Others are swept away by the current. But the herd presses on. Driven by instinct and survival, they cross the deadly river. In one dramatic moment, a young calf is caught in a crocodile's jaws. It thrashes desperately. With a final burst of strength, it breaks free. Against all odds, it reaches the shore. Moments like these define the migration. Brutal, unpredictable, and unforgettable. ## Oryx, survivors of the desert. In the harsh deserts of Africa and the Middle East, another survivor thrives. The oryx. With long, straight horns and a majestic build. This antelope survives in some of the hottest places on Earth. Temperatures here can exceed 50 degrees Celsius. Water is scarce. Yet the oryx can survive for days without drinking. It extracts moisture from the plants it eats. Its body is designed to conserve water. Even its blood circulation system helps cool the brain, protecting it from extreme heat. Thanks to these adaptations, the oryx remains alert and active. Even under the blazing desert sun. It is a living symbol of resilience. ## The balance of the savannah. From the lightning-fast cheetah to the agile gazelle. From the enduring pronghorn to the mighty migrating herds. Every species plays a role. Predators control prey populations. Prey animals shape the vegetation. Scavengers clean the land. Together, they create a delicate balance. A balance built on survival, adaptation, and evolution. The savannah is harsh. It is unforgiving. But it is also breathtakingly beautiful. Every sunrise brings new challenges. Every sunset tells stories of survival. ## Conclusion. The wild savannah is more than just a landscape. It is a stage where nature's fastest warriors prove their strength every day. Through speed. Through endurance. Through unity and adaptation. Life continues. In this world, survival belongs to the swift, the strong, and the clever. And as the winds sweep across the endless grasslands, the ancient rhythm of the savannah carries on. A timeless symphony of speed, struggle, and survival.